Hey guys, it's been an extremely long time since I actually had a video up. I just want to show how well a little upgrade is doing on a very cheap sump and very cheap skimmer. Basically, upgrade the standard pump with this stuff right here. Basically, it's a heavy-duty stripping pad, 3M. Before I wasn't barely getting any bubbles at all, and now this thing is sucking like crazy. It's kind of hard to tell what the way everything goes right now, but it's really doing really well. This is really not even like 30 minutes worth. Before it wasn't pulling out anything. So hopefully this will be doing a little bit better, since apparently my tank is now almost killed my two anemones, which still piss me off like crazy because they do good, then they die, then they do good, then they start to die, then they do good again, then yeah. So whatever, no more anemones for me. So my sump, my skimmer, that's recently upgraded.